In an emergency or an SHTF situation, securing food becomes one of your top priorities for survival. Hunting and foraging probably are going to become necessary when traditional food supplies are unavailable. But not all animals are safe to eat. Some carry diseases, parasites, or toxins that can be harmful or even deadly. And knowing which animals to avoid or eat only a little of is crucial to ensure your safety and your health during these type of challenging times. So we're going to take a look at 7 common animals that you should never or rarely eat in survival situations to avoid some severe health risks. Squirrels. These can be an occasional food source. And while many people eat squirrels apparently without any issues, they're not ideal for long-term survival. These rodents carry numerous parasites and bacteria, making raw consumption unsafe and risky even when they're cooked. Squirrels can also transmit Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, a rare brain disorder caused by prion proteins. This is similar to chronic wasting disease in deer. Additionally, squirrel meat is very lean and it offers little nutritional value or calories, making it an inefficient food source in survival scenarios. Rabbits. These can also be an occasional food source. Rabbits are not suitable as a primary food source due to the risk of rabbit starvation. This is a real thing. Or protein poisoning, which occurs from consuming too much protein without enough fat or carbs. Rabbit meat is very lean, and it leads to malnutrition and health issues like fatigue, diarrhea, and slowed heart rate if it's eaten in excess. A balanced diet is crucial to avoid these problems. Bats. You never want to eat these. Bats carry numerous diseases, including Ebola, Marburg, and rabies, making them highly dangerous to eat without proper preparation. The risk of infection from these zoonotic diseases is high, especially in survival situations where medical treatment is unavailable. Additionally, trapping bats can result in bites or scratches, further increasing the risk of disease transmission. Geese. You want to rarely eat these too. Wild geese carry various diseases and parasites, including toxoplasmosis, cryptosporidium, and others. These can cause severe health issues like diarrhea and dehydration. Geese can also transmit avian influenza. Proper preparation is essential to make their meat safe, but it's often impractical in survival situations. Cats. You never want to eat these. Wild cats carry toxoplasmosis and other parasites like roundworms and hookworms, which can cause significant health issues, including nausea, diarrhea, and nutrient absorption problems. Toxoplasmosis can lead to severe complications if it's not treated promptly, making wild cats a very risky food source. Eels. Do not ever eat these either. Eels absorb harmful chemicals from their environment, which can be poisonous if you eat them. Their blood is also toxic to humans if it's consumed raw or undercooked. Cooking can neutralize some toxins, but without proper equipment, it is too risky. And eels are found worldwide, but it's safer to avoid them due to these risks. Believe it or not, catfish. This is a risky food source. While farm-raised catfish are generally safe, that's what we have in the grocery store, wild catfish can contain high levels of mercury and other toxins. And they're bottom feeders. They consume potentially harmful substances from the pond's bottom. Some catfish species are venomous, posing additional risks if misidentified. Avoid eating wild catfish if you cannot identify them properly. In survival situations, it's crucial to be cautious about what animals you eat. Many common animals, as you've seen, carry diseases, parasites, or toxins that can be harmful or possibly deadly. Knowing which animals to avoid can help ensure your safety and your well-being. Always prioritize safe and nutritious food sources when possible to maintain health and avoid illness. And yes, while there may be times when any meat is better than no meat, Always think about the risks of eating any of these animals and try to find alternatives.